Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm here in Danville, and I've got a house I'm promoting this weekend at 1736 Cotswold Street, just outside of Blackhawk. It's in a beautiful neighborhood called Monte Rosso. Nice clean area. I've got a wonderful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, 3.5 bathroom home, 2,648 square feet in living space, sitting on a 5,113 square foot lot, built in 2007. The unique thing about this house is there are no rear neighbors, and it actually overlooks the middle school behind here, and I'll show you once we get into the backyard, and then also has views of Mount Diablo off the back. So it's a nice location, very open, beautiful home. It's got this stone siding, this fascia here. Nice front yard. Has a 3-car garage, so it's 2 + 1. Stucco siding, tile roof. Very nice home. And check out this double door entry. Beautiful doors. Solid. This one obviously has upgrades, builder upgrades. And let me take you inside and see what you think. So the main entry, super tall ceilings, upgraded staircase with the wrought iron bolsters, the dark wood, and even the carpet, I think was probably an upgrade from the builder. Archways. It's a nice, really nice open floor plan here. This is the formal living area. Formal living. The tile floor is consistent all the way through. And then over here, you have the formal dining area. There's a lot of windows for additional natural light. Get views of the backyard area. Nice big open area.